Hey y'all, Living Lassley here. I'm Austin. Tara is currently, I believe, covered in some throw up, which sounds gross, but our son came down with a little stomach bug, and so she's been dealing with that. So you got me for the opener. This is a adventure video of part 2 of our 4-part little series. This one is Mount Rushmore. So I hope that we highlighted Mount Rushmore as it should be. And as always, if you like it, hit that little like and subscribe button, and we appreciate it, and we hope you enjoy. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, Lassley!
Hey y'all, we are Living Lassley. Austin, Tara, Rudy, Arlo, and our 2 fur babies, Piper and Gertie. Last year in 2020, we sold everything to hit the road full time in our 5th wheel. We are living light and loving life. It's kind of emotional. What are you about to do?